Hey, what's up, Vechain Holders? So, Vechain Holders doing one big mistake, especially in the last day of this month. So, therefore, I alert you, my all Vechain Holder brother, to don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, my brother. You know what's the mistake? The mistake is that, my friends, today starting selling in the wrong time, my brother. So, absolutely, if you starting selling in the wrong time, then exactly, my friends, you are completely in the loss. So what's the prediction? What's the update? What's the future, my friends? Can in June they will hit, my brother, $1 or not, my brother? I already tell you this, my friends. So kindly, vision holders, don't skip this video and please subscribe this channel before I get start this video. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video, my brother. First of all, there is not big update available now, so just in only I gonna show you the last 1 hour update. You can see the chain occur and absolute the price. So minus 2.26% they fails down in the last 1 hour, and 0.108225 USD is the latest price, and there is more chances they will hit, my brother, half USD just in only in the mid of this month. If they starting moving upward, definitely if they starting moving upward, but there is no chances, my brother. You know why? Because which and every cryptocurrency is not just which and all cryptocurrencies fails down, especially at the start of month. You know why? Because, my friends, there are a lot of short-term investors, especially one thing is that, my friends, the short-term investors they're starting selling, so therefore they fails down. Weekend holder, if we check out the last 1 week chart, then exactly, my friend, they are also, my friends, you can see here, they will the chain economy will be positive. So it's mean, my brothers, to enough every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket at the end of month. So therefore you can see they are also change occur positive. So minus plus 16.9% they moving upward, and the prices come to 0.13 USD dollar. So it's mean to the price is when the price is increasing now, they're very fastly increasing now. So we can holder try to understand to don't see the short fits, the short jumps, just in only try to understand, my brothers. So you invest for a long time, then that's mean, my brothers, to don't sell the short fails and short jump. Just in only if you invest for a short time, for a long time, exactly, you just in only wait for 2022. If you invest for a long time, I like me especially, I have no plan to sell it before 2024. So therefore I don't see the short fail, short jump. Just in only, my friends, I wait for a good time. And my brothers, you know why? If you are a short-term investor, then what you do, I just recommend you, my brother. I just this is not a financial video, I advise you, my brother, to sell it tonight. I hope, my brother, at the end of month and the last day of month, my brother, every cryptocurrency is wake up. So this therefore Vechain is also, my friends, go in the moon now in upcoming time. So you need to hold and wait for tonight. I hope in tonight they will give you very good profit now. And the June, my friends, they will completely move upward like a rocket, because especially in this month every cryptocurrency is balanced down. So therefore after fails every cryptocurrency is moving upward. So I am 100% sure to in June, my friends, they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.